In this series, we will be going over sine and cosine functions, given angles and sines, and finding the unknown. After you see a few examples, you'll be able to figure them out yourself. If you haven't already, please take a second and subscribe to this channel. And thank you for watching. Let's begin now on MathCat. 3, 2, 1. Given the lengths of the three sides of a right triangle, 15.2, 5.6, and 16.2, let's find the sine of angle M. We'll write in the lengths of the sides that we know. EF is 15.2, MF is 5.6, EM is 16.2. We're looking for the sine of angle M, and the sine is the opposite over the hypotenuse. So the side opposite angle M is this one, and the hypotenuse is the longest side, which is also the side that's opposite the right angle. Given that, let's write the equation for sine M equals the opposite 15.2 over the hypotenuse 16.2. And if we divide and round to two places, we get the sine of angle M is 0.94, and that's our answer. Given the lengths of three sides of a right triangle, 2.8, 4.96, and 4.1, we're going to find the sine of angle H. Let's write in the information that we know. Length CG is 2.8, length HC is 4.96, and length HG is 4.1. Angle H is here. The side that's opposite the right angle is the hypotenuse, 4.96, and the sine is the opposite side over the hypotenuse, so the side that's opposite angle H is this one, 2.8. Given that information, let's write our equation. Sine of angle H equals the opposite 2.8 over the hypotenuse, 4.96. And if we divide 2.8 by 4.96, rounded to two decimal places, is 0.56. And that's our answer. Sine H is 0.56. Given the lengths of the three sides of the right triangle, 2.42, 0.33, and 2.4, find sine of angle Q. Let's write in the information we know. Length of QL is 2.42, length of QA is 0.33, and length LA is 2.4. And we're looking for the sine of angle Q. 2.42 is opposite the right angle, so that's the hypotenuse, and the sine is the opposite side over the hypotenuse. So the side that's opposite angle Q is this one, 2.4. So let's write our equation for sine of Q equals the opposite, 2.4, over the hypotenuse, 2.42. And when we divide 2.4 by 2.42, we get 0.99 when rounded to two decimal places. And that's our answer. Sine Q equals 0.99. And that's how you find the sine given the sides of a right triangle.